It's how to fold and unfold a folding Eurobike G4 bicycle of Europe. Here's how the latch on a Eurobike G4 folding mountain bike works. So you've got this latch, if you want to unfold it, and you loosen it like this, and then it's not going to want to unfold unless you lift it up. So the pin goes in a hole right here. You can see that hole. See that hole right there. The pin goes through it when the bike is locked together. So that's a bit of a safety mechanism. So again, if it's latched, you unlatch the latch, then you lift this up like that, which brings the pin out of the hole. See that pin right there? And then you can fold it. You also might want to oil the hinge. The hinge is really tight on it from the factory. And unfold it, and then when you fold it, that kind of snaps back in automatically like that. And then you put the latch back on here, and you can use this nut to tighten it up if it's too loose. And there you go, it is latched. And that is the Eurobike G4 bicycle of Europe.